your recognition day.
Yeah naman.
Yay! Hi!
Bye.
yan?
We're going to ka. Bye-bye. Pero kung congratulations sa winners to get the gift. SM Caloocan. SM Caloocan.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Later.
I want to cut this. Daddy!
Ah.
Daddy! Can you cut this?
Ito tayo. Go, Dylan.
Again, all awardees, please proceed to your assigned chairs.
Ian, dito ka na. Ian, come here.
Vlog ka, vlog. Asan ka ngayon? Where are you? In Kuya Dylan's recognition day. Hi, Jan. Hi, mo. Dalawa.
We are proud to present to you the best of Vintas College and Vintas
Nathan Drake M. Torres and Scarlett Huayra Eilan. May we invite the parents of the following awardees to hang their medals.
Nathan Drake M. Torres and Scarlett Huayra Eilan. May we Grade 1 Faith from Trinitas College. We have Ryan Dylan as Aguilar, Nathan Drake M. Torres, and Scarlett Huayra Eilan. May we invite the parent of the following awardees to hang their medals. Thank you and congratulations. Your school of Santa Maria, we have Sunset Ornament and Karen
and amazing pupils. I am very pleased to announce to you that all the recipients of Overall Excellence Award will be granted of 30% discount of tuition fees for the school year 2024-2025. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Mr. Francis and Nina. As we commemorate this activity, sing the closing. Okay, awardees, hold your medals. Everybody hold your medals. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Please welcome the awardees. Congratulations, awardees. Once again, let us give them a big round of applause. Thank you, awardees, and please sit down. When you go back to your proper places, treasure the moment. Pwede kayong mag-take ng pictures together with your mama and daddy and together with your guardians. Class advisors of junior high school and senior high school.
Oh, kumikis pa sa bunso. First time ini ng Lenden sa SM Caloocan.
Never been yan. Never na kayo ready. Paano daw dance? Let's do the one that can imagine.
Galing mag-dance niyan eh.
Paano si Dion?
Paano si Dian? Oh ba? Oh!
Paano?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Sa harot. Galing sa harot. Ba't nga tayo sa labas dumaan?
Oh, dali, may car. Dali.
My gift. natapos na yung recognition ko, yung gift ko napunta sa SM Caloocan. First time ni Ninang.
SM Caloocan?
Opo, first time.
Congratulations, Kuya Dylan.
Thank you.
I love you, Kuya Dylan.
Good job, eh.
Good job.
Hello. Kapuda. Ilan, congratulations. Pakita nga ng subo ng mushroom soup. Burger steak yan Say hello, hello.
Ito si Kali. Ito si Kali.
Wow.
Yo, 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 yo.
Happy?
Yes.
Kuya Dylan, with high honors, are you happy?